carry through the same energy into 2021. No, 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 no. We are going to stick to our hair regimen. We are going to ensure that our hair continues to grow and flourish. Okay? Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today I'm super excited because for today's video, I'm gonna straighten my hair. Not really. Kind of. I'm gonna do a blowout.
I don't know why I'm behaving as if this ain't a big deal. Bitch! I'm about to use heat on my hair.
Damn, my hair needs a touch up of color because this ain't doing it right now. This ain't popping, okay? But yeah, we're gonna work with it for now, alright? I want to do probably a few more protein treatments and this trim today just to really make sure that my hair is healthy at its healthiest state possible before putting more bleach on it, alright? Because we don't want to put bleach on unhealthy hair. So right here I have my yellow bird with my comb attachment to it. Alright, so let's start with the back section first. Guys, the last time I blow dried my hair was on camera. Years ago. So I went ahead and I blow dried just this side of my head just to see the difference between my blow dried hair and my wet wrap hair without heat. Yeah, that was the last time I blow dried my hair or used any heat on my hair. So this is exciting for me. And as I'm going through my hair, I can feel the single strand knots. So right now my hair isn't dry, it is actually damp. And I'm just gonna detangle my hair thoroughly with my white tooth comb. Hey, look for me. Hey.
Yes, girl with the long hair.
So I went out and I bought a brand new pair of hair scissors, and when I say I have about 3 hair scissors in my house already, but because after I do my very rare trims, I end up using my scissors for like paper, but you're not supposed to do that because you want your hair scissors to remain sharp so that it doesn't cause more split ends. So I decided to just go out and buy a new pair of hair scissors. So, where are we cutting now? Alright, let's do this. It's just time, okay? It's just time for a trim. Yeah. I really think I've been taking care of my nails. I'm no professional, I'm just trimming, alright? Alright. Can go on. Alright. Next section. so where it needs to trim for the second section is a little clearer. See? See? I felt like that was a lot of hair. I told you guys, we're going for it. It's been a while, okay? It's been a while. We're going to be on a restoration plan after this to grow back those inches, alright? So no worries, no worries. Hair grows back. I'm not gonna lie though, I am kind of curious to see how it would look flat ironed. Alright, you see where it does get a little thinner? That is where I want to trim. Or maybe it don't look so bad because of the amount of hair I have. But when I pull it like this, you can see. Yeah. Okay, yeah. You see, and as much as seeing my hair blow dried, it's kind of making me curious to see flat ironed. It's also reminding me why it makes no sense to flat iron my hair while I'm in Jamaica. Maybe when I'm traveling to some less humid environment or country, but yeah, tell you, it's already poofing up. And this is just a blow dry. It's poofing up already. This is my bra. Standing even, chin straight. Yeah, red, past my bra, and this is after my trim, ready. Please don't get distracted by the pitchy patchy color. We're gonna work on that, alright? You see how this side already shrink up? Guys, the humidity. I am tempted to go through with the blow dryer again just to get it at its maximum length, but
Do it for the man.
wait, won't do it.
Do it for the man.
Wait, won't do it.
Do it for the man. Do it for the man.
We are not going to be damaging our hair, okay? That's too much heat. So practically speaking, I am not going to be wearing my hair out like this. No. That's just asking for all the single strand knots just to come creeping back on my ends, and we're not into that. So I'm thinking instead to do a braid out. Whichever way this braid out turn out, I'm just glad I got to straighten and clip my ends. That's what was crucial right now. So what I'm contemplating is, how often do I realistically need to do this? Because I realized that trimming my ends when it's not straightened, it's just not giving, it's just not it. Yeah, it's better I blow dry my hair and give myself a proper trim. Just because of my curl pattern, that's what I have observed. Because of my curl pattern, well, my wave pattern, it's better I just get everything straight-ish, straight, and then clip my ends. So I'm thinking it would be a realistic goal to blow dry my hair twice a year and give myself a trim twice a year. And of course, with maintaining my ends, I wouldn't have to take off as much as I did today. Hi, wagwan. So my hair should be set by now. My only worry is that I exercised this morning, so of course I was sweating, you know, getting fit.
Summer body starts in the winter. Yes.
So I don't know, maybe my hair hasn't completely set because of that, but I mean, it was blow dried before, so it's not like it had a lot of drying to do. So let's just see how it turns out. I feel a little dampness, okay? I feel a little damp. My hair needs at least. Look at that. It never set at all. It never set at all. My hair don't dry at all. My blow dry never lasts. And my braid out never set. It also could be that when I showered, the water catch the back of my hair. I need to buy a new shower cap. I went in the shower with my satin cap, knowing darn well that wasn't enough, but you know, living on the edge. Okay, this one dry. It's really just the back. How about comment never, yeah man. It's because I didn't wear a shower cap. It also could be a combination of the workout, plus not wearing a shower cap in the shower.
Maybe it was only the shower, and I just wanted to mention that I worked out.
Yay! See? These front ones dried. Okay, I'm guessing that the rest is dry. I just was the bad luck. The first one I peeled out was just crap, alright? But the others are dried. And as a finisher, I'm gonna just spritz my hair with some spritz. And we're finished. Blow dried, trimmed, healthy ends. Okay? We're good. And here I thought my braid would be spoiled. Anyway, beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this entire video. If you're new to this channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, it's alright. I understand. We just met. We need to get a little more familiar with each other. I respect that. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and me. Well, I am the only one on my channel. Okay, yeah. Get more familiar with me, and then, come on, if you laugh little, if you smile little, if you enjoy at least 1, 2, 3 of my videos, it just makes sense you click the subscribe button, or you're gonna regret it. Yeah, you're gonna have some regrets about that. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. And you see with this hairstyle, I can make those kind of threads. Anyway, beauties, thank you so much again for watching. Later! Mwah. And if you're not already subscribed, thank you. I'm not sure how long it's going to last in this humidity because it's so fluffy. But we're gonna rock it, alright? I might have to braid it over again every night. But since they were jumbo braids, I'm not worried about that too much.